So this is a pretty interesting X-ray. This is a young gentleman who presented with sounded like bronchitis, coughing, wheezing. He was tachycardic and diaphoretic when I saw him. His oxygen level was just fine, but he was very diminished and wheezy when he auscultated. So the X-ray was really meant to look for pneumonia or fluid, CHF, those kinds of things. Well, looking at the X-ray, heart size is normal. It's not enlarged. Lungs are pretty well aerated throughout. I don't see any pneumothoraces, which are collapsed lungs. So I actually missed the finding on this X-ray, so I'm interested in seeing how many people pick up on this. There is no infiltrates, but it looks a little bit almost interstitial pattern looking, like maybe a viral pneumonia, which is probably what he has, a bronchitis. But interestingly enough, it's the finding up here in the upper part of the lung. What we gotta see. This is subcutaneous emphysema. This is air on the soft tissue. And to have air in the soft tissue, it has to be coming from somewhere. So now that you know that, you look over here at the chest, and right here you see this line. That's actually air in the mediastinum pushed. And if you can tell a little bit, whenever you see a really well demarcated heart border, like right there, you can almost see that line. That's probably air in the pericardium. So we are doing a CT scan on this patient's chest to define it better, mostly to rule out a small pneumothorax, because this obviously requires potential surgical intervention. But this patient's probably still going to go home. We'll bring him back in 24 hours for a repeat X-ray to make sure he's not doing better. He received some breathing treatment, some prednisone. He's breathing a lot better. He's no longer diaphoretic, and his heart rate is going down to 100. So stay tuned for the CT scan.